Raw color begins far from the bottle, pulled straight from the earth.
These minerals are reduced, refined, and prepared for transformation. Precision grinding creates the foundation of color. Solvents give polish its fluid motion and shine. Resins bind color, strength, and durability together.
Light itself is engineered into every sparkle.
Only stable, consistent color moves forward. Every ingredient is logged, sealed, and traced.
The journey continues toward the heart of production.
Controlled transport protects every volatile ingredient.
Safety begins long before production starts.
Raw materials converge at a single destination.
Every entry is monitored and recorded. Precision begins with accountability.
Timing keeps production flowing without delay.
Verification protects formulation integrity.
Materials now enter controlled production space.
The factory prepares for transformation.
Inside these walls, color becomes chemistry.
Every process begins with disciplined routine.
Raw inputs move deeper under strict control. Every stage is monitored in real time. Ingredients wait under precise conditions. Clean entry protects flawless output. This is where formulation truly begins. Accuracy defines every batch. Preparation sets the stage for perfection. Purity begins with controlled separation.
Consistency is engineered at the microscopic level.
Invisible threats are quietly eliminated. Clarity ensures flawless flow. Stability comes from careful refinement. Color accuracy is never assumed. Each formula finds its exact path. Readiness is carefully preserved. Now, creation truly begins. Precise ratios define every formulation. Motion unlocks uniform color. Heat shapes texture and flow.
Feel is measured, not guessed.
Perfection is built molecule by molecule. Uniformity demands patience. Smoothness is engineered under pressure. Even air must be removed. The foundation is now complete. Performance is engineered beyond color.
Effects are balanced, never forced.
Stability must endure time. Chemistry needs time to settle. Color signs off before scale. Uniformity across every bottle. Beauty must survive extremes. Nothing unwanted moves forward. Transformation is complete. Automation begins with perfect alignment. Every drop is measured to the milliliter. Precision allows no exceptions. Small parts demand absolute control. Sealing locks quality inside. Identity is applied at speed. Machines see what humans can't. Speed meets refinement.
Security is silently confirmed.
Application begins long before use. Presentation matters. Traceability is permanent. Accuracy remains non-negotiable. Durability is tested early.
Human judgment still matters.
Every detail now aligns.
Proof comes next.
Precision begins in a clean environment.
Tiny amounts reveal the whole story.
Accuracy is validated scientifically.
Feel is as important as color.
Performance is measured before it leaves the factory.
Longevity is proven in controlled conditions.
Every bottle must glimmer consistently.
Safety is invisible, but critical. Only verified batches move forward.
Verified polish moves into its final journey.
Packaging secures both product and presentation. Orderly storage ensures efficiency. Finished products rest safely before departure. Logistics continues seamlessly beyond the factory. Distribution networks carry quality to the world. And this is how modern factories produce nail polish from start to finish.